We'll guide you through how to install fonts into PowerPoint Mac. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To install fonts into Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac, begin by opening a browser on your device. After the browser opens, go to the search bar and type Google Fonts, then press Enter to search. From the search results, click the Google Fonts website to open it. Once the page loads, you will see a large collection of fonts available for free. You can search for the font you need by browsing through the list or by using the filter tools to choose a specific style that matches your design needs. After you find a font that you like, click on that font to open its detail page. On this page, you will see a type bar where you can try the font by typing your own text. This helps you make sure the font matches your preference and design style. You can also adjust the pixel size of the text to preview how the font will look in longer sentences or larger text. If you feel the font is the right choice for you, click Get Font to add it to your selection. After that, click Download to download the font file to your Mac. When the download is finished, open Finder on your Mac. In Finder, go to the Download section where the font file was saved. Next, open the downloaded folder that contains the font files by double-clicking on the font folder. Inside the folder, find the font file and double-click on it. A preview window will appear showing the font details. In this window, click Install Font to install the font on your Mac system. After the font has been installed successfully, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your Mac. When the program launches, click Blank Presentation from the Start screen. Then click Create in the bottom left corner to open the presentation workspace. Once the slide appears, right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the top rectangle. After that, right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the bottom rectangle as well. Next, open a text box and drag it onto the slide. Inside the text box, type any word you want, for example GuideHub. Then go to the Home tab, click the Font menu, and type the name of the font you downloaded. Finally, select the font, and now the new font is successfully installed and ready to use in Microsoft PowerPoint.